Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2022 Mazda CX-8 Touring, stock reference number 5548. This shape runs from the first month 2020 and is the current shape. It has a PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, right-hand fog light, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left-hand tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, command switches, sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons.